Morning everyone, my name is BHAVISHYA. I'm from AIDS first year AIDS department, Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachil, Mangalore. So I'm very excited to introduce my startup company that is Delight Cosmetics and my product shampoo. So product present name that is shampoo and the future name Hair Revive Cleanse. So we envision a future where shampoos do more than just clean your hair. Our future product will incorporate advanced ingredients and technologies to provide not only cleaning but also deep nourishment, scalp health improvement, and environment sustainability. We have gathered valuable insights and empathies from our customers, which have guided us in designing a product that meets their evolving needs and expectations. Our mission is to revolutionize hair care by creating shampoos that are gentle yet effective, eco-friendly, and tailored to individual hair types and concerns. So, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. So, first. Aiming to provide effective cleaning without using chemical and causing discomfort or irritation and to beautify hair. And the second one is product should be paraben free, actually which is a chemical and available for every types of hair without causing any damage. Then based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. So the existing that, as I said, that is existing product name is shampoo, futuristic product name is hair revive cleanse. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Sulfate-free formulations for customers looking for milder shampoos using alternative surfactants like sodium coposulfate and paraben-free and silicone-free options to cater to market demand for more natural and less chemical-laden products. Specialty shampoos, dandruff control, color protection, volumizing or moisturizing shampoos with specific active ingredients. Environment friendly packaging, use of biodegradable or recyclable packaging materials. So in prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. So due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch, and the sketch is given below. Actually, I uploaded a photo, so this is my product photo. So I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage.